What is happening here? Is your RoboRock S6 MaxV suddenly doing a moonwalk instead of actually cleaning? If your robot is spinning in circles or failing to climb a simple rug, you've just hit a very common robo-reality check. Here's the fun fact you probably didn't know. Your RoboRock doesn't have a software bug. It's actually just bald. Yes, bald. The movement issues on the RoboRock S6 MaxV are almost always caused by worn-out wheel rubber. After months of patrolling your home, those high-traction treads turn as smooth as a bowling ball. When both wheels lose their grip, your smart robot basically turns into a helpless turtle on ice. And listen, ignoring these bald tires is a bad idea. It puts massive strain on the internal notors. If you leave it, you're looking at a much more expensive rip for your robot vacuum. Now, I know what you're thinking.
It's just rubber, right? How hard can it be to DIY?
Well, here's where it gets risky. Replacing these isn't as simple as changing a phone case. The RoboRock S6 MaxV is packed with delicate sensors, internal clips, and complex wiring. We've seen many weekend warriors try to fix this themselves, only to accidentally snap a cliff sensor wire or put the wheel assembly back together slightly misaligned. This is exactly why hundreds of owners trust RoboCare. Why put yourself through that stress? Let the experts handle it. At RoboCare, we take the what-ifs out of the equation. When you send your RoboRock S6 MaxV to us, we don't just slap on some rubber. We perform a full diagnostic to ensure your drive motors haven't been strained by the slipping. We use genuine wheel rubber that's designed to handle the weight of the RoboRock S6 MaxV, ensuring it grips your hardwood and carpets like it's brand new. Check out this difference. After a professional service at RoboCare, this RoboRock S6 MaxV is back to its quiet, efficient, and precise self. No more drifting, no more stuck errors, just perfectly clean floors. Don't let a bald robot ruin your clean home. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.